Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by In the Money Stocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is February 23rd, 2015. One thing you'll see this morning is the energy sector is coming under pressure. One chart that I'm looking at is Exxon Mobil. When I see a stock like this, and I'm going to flip to a bigger time frame here and show you a weekly chart, what you're going to see is that the stock topped out basically in the month of June and July, and you've been making a series of lower highs. That tells me there's going to be continued pressure on this equity. When I see this stock trade this way, I have to look lower on the charts. One level that I've isolated as a very, very good support level in the future will be right around $82, and I think that's where traders can look to get involved in this equity. Recently it was reported that Warren Buffett sold his entire stake in the company, and that has certainly put recent pressure on the stock. If you take a look at the daily chart, you'll see that the stock has tumbled sharply over the past 5 or 6 trading days. However, if you see the downside momentum in the bigger time frames, more notably in the weekly charts and also in the monthly chart, you'll see that the stock is not settled out and really hasn't found a definitive bottom. But I do believe if the stock gets down to around $82, that's where institutions will come in and support the stock. And let me just show you why I say this. If you go back, way back into time, what you're going to see here is that this is where the stock rallied back up, came back down, and then this is where it pivoted right around $80 or a little bit lower, and then you had that big reversal bar right in 2012. Markets have memory. Remember, there are traders that are in stocks for years and years and years, especially big Dow components like Exxon Mobil, which pay big dividends. So what they're going to do is they're going to come and defend the equity when it gets tested down and around this level. So again, this is a good area. You could even see back here, this was a resistance level right at $82. And boom, it should be supported by the institutional money once again. So my bet is to get long Exxon Mobil when this stock trades down to around the $82 level. Until then, it's going to be a very, very choppy trade, but the trend is down on the stock, and the stock should head lower. So again, be very, very careful trying to get involved in Exxon on the long side in the near term unless it's a short-term trade. But all in all, I think you could get into this equity around $82. It's still the world's largest energy company in the world, has the biggest market cap, and that's the spot where I would look to get involved in Exxon Mobil. If you want more of our work, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to our research center. You'll see all of our trades. You can check out our track record. It's really been off the charts, and we're hoping to put up more winners this week. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and I'll see you on the charts.